Meme coins are popping off and they're set to explode, and some of them have been exploding. You don't want to miss these top 5 meme coins. The first one on the list is Dogeverse, the first chain traveling Doge, and this has already raised 13 million so far. Very exciting to see where this goes. They're on multiple chains as the goal: Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Base. From my understanding, the first Doge presale spanning Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Solana, and Avalanche, and Base. So definitely check out this project. They are in a pre-sale, so as you know, the sooner you get in on a project, the sooner that you are in the gains, because if you get in early, that's typically the biggest gains. And as you can see, they are live on multiple chains, so definitely they have utility, all sorts of great things. You can definitely check out the roadmap, but we'll go over some of my other favorite memes. Number 2 on the list is Book of Meme. This project has been popping off. As you can see, just had these massive run-ups, just insane gains, over 1,000% gains. They are on Binance, Radium, all of some major exchanges, KuCoin, Gate, HTX. This project has been kind of going against Bonk and Floki and all of the major meme coins. So love to see this project going so well. It is on the Solana blockchain. Solana has been just popping off. And the thing that I love about this project is it's gone up so much, but their website just looks like the first HTML websites, where it was just like picture, text, some bold text, and that's it. Really nothing. I mean, I think on the very first, it says first website or first web page. So as you can tell, it is like the very first website ever. So very cool. You don't want to miss out on number 3 because this one is one of my favorites. Number 3 is SHIB. SHIB has the ecosystem. They have so much going on with their swap, their ecosystem, Shibnarium. They have been doing so many things. They have their multiple tokens with their bone and their leash, staking pools. They've been audited. So many cool things. I think this is a NFT play to earn game. Their layer 2 blockchain, their magazines. I mean, all sorts of cool things. And they're having a comeback. I mean, if you look at just how much this has gone up, I don't even know what that number is. Like, that is the biggest 1,000,000% gains. That is insane. So SHIB, congratulations to those who got SHIB and has been holding, because you made out like a bandit. Number 4, the Sloth token, which is now live, by the way. We've talked about it previously, but as you can see, they just have a massive following on Twitter. If we look at their text screener, you can see that, well, it's been just kind of sideways. And that's why I said it's kind of a slow moving token. Definitely look forward to it popping off. I can definitely see it doing well during the massive bull run in meme coins. With a $13 million market cap and $2 million in liquidity, there's so much room for it to grow. I'm really excited to see what they do. Sloth token, they are up to date on what's going on. They're constantly talking. They've done their airdrops, so definitely a token you don't want to miss out on. And their Twitter and Telegram, a lot of things going on. It's definitely a new project, but they are definitely growing. Finally, number 5. At number 5, Katamoto, the coolest cats on the Binance Smart Chain and on Base. So pretty exciting stuff. They are doing the new meme, what is it? What do they call it? The Memenomics, Meownomics, I think it was called. Mind-blowing tokenomics, meow-blowing tokenomics, meow-blowing tokenomics. I love that. Wolf. I don't know why they have Wolf. It doesn't make sense to me because cat, but, you know, who knows? So it's really easy to buy Kata, create your wallet, prepare some tokens, so get your BNB on Binance or ETH on Base, swap it on a DEX, and buy your Kata. You can bridge Kata, I guess, on to different bridges. So if you want to go from Binance to Base or Base to Binance, very cool. They have some partnerships, very nice. All of their partnerships are as follows, and just doing big things. But let's check out the chart, because I think that's the most important. And as you can see, it's been going downwards. So I can definitely see it coming back for a rebound. We'll definitely check to see what it's doing in the next couple months. But it is 100% circulating supply. There is $20 million in diluted market cap. So we'll see how it does in the next few months, but a project that I am keeping my eye on on my top 5 meme coins. Till next time, guys, drop your favorite meme coins down below. I'd love to review them, talk about them, discuss what you guys think are the biggest ones coming in the near future. Love your thoughts. Comment down below. All links are in the description, and I'll see you on the next one.